This is a 1-minute stretch for the intertransversarii demonstrated for the right side of the body with our client Kendall side lying on her left side. Note that her left shoulder is far away toward the opposite end of the table. Her pelvis is toward the close end of the table here, so she's diagonal on the table. And that's important because we're going to use her right thigh as a lever to drop down off the back side of the table to pull the pelvis down into depression and create a stretch on the right side of the trunk. So I'll bring you back here and let this just drop down. I'll get out of the way for camera angle here. That drops the pelvis into depression and the stretch starts to go up the right side of her body. If I want to focus the stretch to the intertransversarii low down in the lumbar region, then I would stabilize her rib cage with this cushion here. If I bring the stabilization point a bit higher, then the stretch moves higher up her trunk and higher up her trunk. And I'm just using body weight to drop down on the distal lateral thigh. I do not cross the knee. I do not want to put a torque into the knee joint. So this has been our 1-minute stretch for the intertransversarii demonstrated for the right side of the body.